1.6 Grandpa tells a story. From this lesson, we will learn that we should interrupt anyone politely. संभाषण सुरू झाल्यावर बऱ्याच वेळा मध्येच खंड पाडून काही प्रश्न विचारले जातात. ते प्रश्न नम्रपणे कसे विचारावेत याकरिता या पाठात अनेक वाक्प्रचारांचा उपयोग केला आहे. आपण त्याचा अभ्यास व सराव करूयात. Grandfather was telling a story to Ronak and his friends. Grandfather says, once upon a time, near the water's edge. Once upon a time means खूप वर्षांपूर्वी. Near the water's edge means पाण्याच्या काठाजवळ. Ronak says, excuse me grandpa, what is an edge? Grandpa says, my dear boy, allow me to complete this sentence. Once upon a time, a camel and a jackal lived by a river near the water's edge. Allow me means करू दे. Jackal means fox म्हणजे कोल्हा. And on the other side of the river, there was a village with field and farms. Village means गाव. Field and farms means शेते आणि शेतमळे. म्हणजे नदीच्या दुसऱ्या बाजूला शेते आणि शेतमळे असलेला एक गाव होता. Now, can anyone help Ronak with the word edge? Ishan says, let me guess. Is it the border or the line where one thing stops and another begins? Grandpa says, you are right. Now, the jackal was very clever. Clever means hushar. He tried to play a trick on his friend camel, who was happily munching away. Trick means युक्ती. Happily munching away म्हणजे आनंदाने खाणे चघळणे. आनंदाने आपले खाणे चघळत असलेल्या उंट मित्राला कोल्ह्याने युक्तीने फसवण्याचा प्रयत्न केला. राधिका says, Grandpa, could you please repeat the last phrase? आजोबा, कृपया शेवटचा वाक्प्रचार तुम्ही पुन्हा सांगणार का? Grandpa says, happily munching away. The camel was happily and slowly eating or munching away his food. Children says, oh. Grandpa says, the jackal began to tempt him to go for a sugarcane treat. Tempt means भुरळ घालणे. Sugarcane treat means उसाची मेजवानी. Vidya says, pardon grandpa, I didn't get the last words. Could you repeat those? मुलांनो, संभाषणामध्ये समोरच्याचे वाक्य आपल्याला समजले नाही किंवा ऐकू आले नाही, त्यांनी ते पुन्हा सांगावे म्हणून आपण विनंती करतो. त्यावेळी पार्डन हा शब्द वापरला जातो. Grandpa says, a sugarcane treat. Vidya says, sorry grandpa, but I did not understand the phrase a sugarcane treat. Phrase means वाक्प्रचार. Treat means मेजवानी. Grandpa says, a treat is something special that one enjoy. The jackal wanted the camel to go with him to the sugarcane field. Akshay says, can I explain further? The jackal and the camel were going to eat and enjoy the sugarcane from the farmer's field. Radhika says, why everyone will enjoy a sugarcane treat? Grandpa says, yes, you have understood the meaning of treat. Gauri says, please continue, Grandpa. Let's listen to the story. But tell me please, does it mean that they were going to steal from the farmer? Steal means चोरी करणे. Shreya says, maybe, but let's listen to the story. Grandpa, let's please have the questions later. Later means नंतर. विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, आता आपण पाहिले रोनक व त्याच्या मित्रांनी आजोबा गोष्ट सांगत असताना मध्येच काही प्रश्न नम्रपणे विचारले. त्यासाठी त्यांनी काही इंग्रजी वाक्प्रचारांचा उपयोग केला. तो व्हिडिओमध्ये लाल अक्षरात दाखवला आहे. इंटरप्शन्स म्हणजे व्यत्यय आणणे आणि रिस्पॉन्स म्हणजे प्रतिसाद. आता आपण हे काही इंटरप्शन्स व त्याची रिस्पॉन्स पाहूयात. तुम्ही ते दैनंदिन संभाषणात वापरू शकतात. इंटरप्शन्स. पार्डन. एक्सक्यूज मी सर और मॅडम. Responses: yes. Can you or could you repeat that please? Or will you please say that again? And responses are sure or certainly. Sorry, but I did not get the last word or sentence. Okay, I will repeat it. Excuse me, can I ask something? Go ahead.